It's all about you today. Oh. It's all about you. Because of this big fish you got.
What a cat!
Buddy. Beautiful fish.
Half, wasn't it? Oh, yeah.
Oh, this is a beauty!
Look at these two beauties.
Just look.
Couldn't resist.
That's good, eh?
Vexed.
Vexed.
On the Z-Man plastic.
And it's a top lip hook again. Good morning, fellas. Good morning, guys. Good morning, girls. Sun's not up yet, but getting the boat loaded up and gonna go hit the water. Alrighty. Morning, Gaz.
Nice coffee, mate.
Get you started.
Well done, Ronald.
Well, we're all set up, ready to go. Jayden's just in the boat doing some final touches. Yep. So we're getting it deep today, get the big dogs. So we'll go out and see what we can get. Over and out. Well, we're at the spot, 37,000 kilometres away from land. Nah, only joking. Anyway, how you going, Jay?
Hi.
First drop. Gary, first drop.
It's 11.
That's it. I'm just going to sit it out for a bit and just see what happens. Let these boys hopefully get some fish. Now,
Gary's one that was going down.
hey, first drop, Gary. Look at that. 2 minutes. Boom.
On the new rod.
Oh,
Christened it.
on the new rod too. I wonder what it is. What is it? What's it called?
Hopefully
Excellent.
a nice nanny. I lifted it off the bottom about 5 metres and then just dropped him down again.
Yeah.
Get it on the drop. It's a nanny.
Is it?
Oh, Gary's favourite. Look at the size of that. Ah, look at that. Beautiful. We found him, Gary, for you. Woo. Hey. Jayden. What do you got, Jayden?
Nana guy.
Nana guy. Hey, what are you using?
Michigan Seas, butterballs.
Butterball. What do you got? What do you got? Because of this big fish you got. Quick. Do look at the big fish.
What a cat!
Something's just grabbed Jayden's line as he's pulling it up, and he had a little fish on. Oh no!
I reckon they're going to come back from that.
Oh, what's Jayden got? What do you got, buddy?
Put a rod then.
You might have a massive tuna, massive sambo, massive shark. Feels like what? I know, but it grabbed something that you had on the line, so it's livey. It's a big fish, whatever it is. But bloody took off. I'd go sambo at the moment.
The old Brollis rod, mate. Mess of it.
Brollis rod. Mate, you're tough, mate. 2 fingers holding that rod, I tell you.
At least it's something.
What do you reckon, Gaz? What do you reckon it is?
Oh, it's a big fish. I got no idea.
Is it? Let's have a look. Sambo! Yeah, it is too. Big kahuna. Well, it's not that big, but it's big, but it's not massive, you know. Let's have a look. Yes. Hello there, little fishy. And that's on a, what is it on?
The haymaker.
The haymaker. Oh, Jayden on.
You picked up what he was putting down.
Oh, it's a nice one.
I'll just take the lead.
Got a net. It's a big whopper. Look at that. Blue Morwong.
You can get 4 kilo.
Yeah, 4 or 5 kilo. Yeah. Alrighty, we're going to deal with that and do another run. Over now.
Oh, if you're saying a nanny, I'll be real surprised.
Oh, this is a beauty.
Gary on!
Gary!
Hey, Gary!
Just when I was thinking the plastic had stopped working its magic.
What are you using, Gary?
That's the Z-Man.
Z-Man. So the Gaz-Man caught a fish with a Z-Man.
Right, this is a nice big nanny, like 55 centimetre.
You reckon?
Nice.
You reckon that's what it is?
Right.
Ooh.
snapper.
Snapper or nanny? What is it, Gary? What is that? Chewy.
Yeah.
It's a Dewey on a jig, mate. Look at that. Have you ever done that before, Gary?
Oh, fucking no, buff. Hey. No, that's a first.
It's a first.
Okay.
Look at that.
Get a hold of him.
Nice nanny, eh? Look at that. That's a real different nanny, Gary.
A very different one. Big brain nanny.
Shit call, but good fish. Meanwhile, we're waiting for the other channel. This is the, oh, here it is.
Look at that.
Just look.
Couldn't resist.
That's good, eh?
Vexed
Vexer.
on the Z-Man plastic.
And it's a top lip hook again. You get a real good picture of that. Beautiful. Good munging. We got some meat. Got some meat. All right, until the next one. See what happens. All right, over now. On again.
Oh, yes.
Oh, that's good.
Oh, he's on two. Three-way hookup, boys.
You guys, you on?
Gary's on.
Yeah, I'm on.
Shit.
That might be the sandbar.
Don't lose that plastic. That's the only thing catches fish.
Woo. Sorry, Gary, can't get you. Even though you might have a better fish, I don't know. I don't know what I've got here.
Well, if this is a Dewey, it's a bloody bigger one than the last one. I'll give you a tip.
Somehow, I don't think that's a Dewey, yeah? Nanny.
Chuck this on the old dad. Schmicky's got a fucking little nanagar. You lose it? Did you spit it or?
Yeah, spat it.
Oh. Ah! Drop it straight back down, you might be right.
Jayden on! Oh, Mickey on two! What do you got? Dewey?
I don't know. Who your fish?
Nah, I'm worried about you, mate. It's all about you today.
Oh.
It's all about you. Oh, yeah.
Almost went for a swim.
Anyway. Oh, yeah, mate. Close up. Ooh, pimples. That's right.
Yeah, oh, there you go. That was good.
God, I got a good bite. So look, there we go. Look at that, one hander. Look, mum, no hands. I got a fish on.
Straight.
Oh, I got huh?
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, that's gonna go in the water. Oh shit. Trying to fish and film and I don't know. It's a Dewey! No, it's a big nanny guy. Woo! No, it's a Dewey. No, it's a nanny guy. No, it's a Dewey and a nanny guy. Ah! Oh, double header. Double header. Oh shit. Unbelievable.
Going from no fish to
Oh. Well, this is where fishing needs patience. What have I got? I got a. Oh my god.
oh, that was bloody
Beautiful fish.
half, wasn't it? Oh yeah.
Beautiful fish.
Look at these two beauties.
So what's happening now is that the boys were tugging away with their jigs and we weren't getting very much. But now they've joined forces with me and they're going with the baits. With the baits.
We still caught more fish than big hook.
With the baits. So we'll see what happens. Alright, we're going to let you know, alright? Gary on! What's happening? Gave up? Did you lose it? Did you lose it? I'm thinking just get the fish in, that's what I'm thinking. Thought I'd turn the GoPro on, but I didn't. But I'll show you the fish I just caught in a second because I was still fishing, but alright? Alright. So Gary's fish coming up. Jayden's tugging at the back. I'm doing the ocean of the motion method. Look! Oh yes! Yeah! Oh yes! Alright. Oh, three-way hook up. Are you on, Jay? Alrighty. Now we're talking. What's Gary got? Nanny! Oh, good call though. Good call. 1, 2, 3 nannies. 3 hooked up. Maybe 3 nannies. We'll see.
So you saw it.
Nanny! Oh, not bad. What have I got? Nanny! 3-way. Nannies.
Nanny.
Woohoo! We got Gary's favourite fish. Nanny guy. Another nanny guy. Just look at that one. Gary's just going to spike it. Just show you how we spike it. Just so I put it over its misery straight away. Got him. That's it. And we just cut it, bleed him. And then if you just hold up my Dewey that I just caught. Oh no. Thanks, Gary. Thank you, mate. And yeah, so we're having another bad day. It's It's calm for once and we're not getting too hammered for a change. All right, next drift, see what happens. Jayden's on. He thinks it's white. What is it, mate? Oh, Gary on! Woo! Gary's got the bigger fish. Sorry, mate. Gary on! Now it's got to wait for me now, you know. Come on, Mickey. What are you doing? Where's one? Come on, fishy, fishy. What'd you do? Oh no! Oh, that was a big netty. All right, back to Jayden because he's got the fish. How you going, Jayden? You right there, mate? Bring up the fish. Oh my God, 2 fish. Kaput. Gary on. What is it, Gaz?
Not convincing at all.
Oh, but it's still a fish. What is it? What is it? Beautiful day, Gary. Beautiful day.
It's a good day to be fishing.
Yes. Sorry?
Hey.
Yeah.
Hey.
What is it? Oh no! But we'll keep that one because the next door neighbour, he likes that. We'll give that to him. Num num. All right. Well, we're just finished at the shelf. We've only got a couple of little fishes. Now we're going to head back and we might get some drone footage or underwater footage. I think we did all right. How's that bag going there, Gary? What have we got in there? Oh, we got some fishes. There we go. We got some nannies. We got some jewies. We got some queenies. We got some mate. Thanks, guys. Anyway, yeah. So we're gonna head back and then see what happens. But the day is awesome. I mean, look at this. This is just the shit. Look at it. Well, we're putting the drone down. This is the underwater drone. Jayden's driving again. Gary is helping with the tether, bringing it out. Looks good. Well, we're just packing up the drone and some pretty gnarly footage.
Here it comes.
Guys, thanks for watching. Please subscribe, give us a thumbs up, leave a comment. We'll keep bringing you some stuff every week, so weekly is our intention, which we have been doing. Alright, over and out. Hi everybody, just to let you know that this vlog that's coming out this week has got Jayden, Josh and Tiana out camping, and I'm on the jet ski trying to catch some squid, and so we're going to show you a bit of both as the vlog goes on. Hope you enjoy it. Until then, happy fishing guys, thanks.